I'd like to tell you about a new machine called ELF. It's an electronic lift and flip, and it's a wheelbarrow dumping machine. This machine will allow you to safely dump construction debris into a dumpster. Now, the inventor of this machine worked for a company where the men were expected to wheel these wheelbarrows up a plank into the dumpster. He said it was pretty dangerous work, actually, to expect the guys to wheel the wheelbarrow into the dumpster, and as the dumpster gets full of debris, the plank gets steeper and steeper. Guys were falling off the plank, and if you've got construction debris with glass and nails and so on, you're just asking for trouble as far as guys getting hurt. Now, this machine is powered by a 1 horsepower motor, and it runs off standard 110 volts. Now, this machine has no hydraulics whatsoever. It's very simply designed, and that 1 horsepower motor drives a gearbox and a chain that lifts this wheelbarrow, and it will just get the job done for you just like that. Now, the ELF is made to be run by one person. It can easily be rolled alongside that dumpster. It's got hard rubber wheels. It weighs 700 pounds, but one guy can roll it no problem. Now, the ELF has a real low profile deck. It's just 3 inches off the ground, and so you can wheel that wheelbarrow right up in there, and it's been tested to lift over 500 pounds, no problem. Here you can see that chain drive and how rugged built this machine is. It's built out of 3/16 inch tubing and 1/4 inch tubing. All the bearings are greasable. Here's another view of that wheelbarrow dumping into that dumpster. Keep the guys out of the dumpster. Now, I mentioned the advantage of keeping your men out of the dumpster, and much more safe environment for these guys to work in. But there are several other advantages too. If you're using a skid steer or some machine and you're paying somebody a wage to run those machines, this eliminates the need for a high lift of any sort, and just your laborers can run this machine. Now, the ELF was designed and built with safety in mind, and one important feature is that it has keyed access. So only a worker that's been properly trained on how to use this machine and has the key will be able to gain access to the machine and use it. Now, another important safety feature is that the controller has a long cord, and so the worker grabs the controller and he's able to stand way back away from the machine to operate it. Now, the ELF has a relay right there, and that's what tells that wheelbarrow to stop when it gets to the top of the post. After the wheelbarrow lowers down, the relay returns to position and is ready for the cycle for the next time. Now, the inventor of this machine holds a patent on the ELF, and he's ready to start building these machines. The inventor is also willing to sell the rights to the machine, and so if you'd like to take over the ownership of this machine, you can contact us and do that. Now, if you are in the construction business, big or small, I think you can see the advantages of owning an ELF. The ELF is so quiet and smooth running, it can even dump a wheelbarrow of water without spilling a drop. You know you want one? Get yourself an electronic lift and flip. Thanks for watching.